Right now, potential clients are searching for lawyers in your city. If your firm isn't showing up in the map pack, you're losing cases to competitors. Local SEO is built on 3 pillars: relevance, distance, and prominence. Relevance means your content matches what people search. Distance is about being nearby, and prominence comes from reviews and mentions that prove you're trusted. Start with your Google business profile. Choose the right category. Add your services, hours, and local phone number. Upload real office photos. Post updates weekly. And most importantly, ask every client for reviews. Next, optimize your website. Keep it mobile-friendly, fast, and clear. Publish service pages for each practice area and location. Add blogs that answer common questions, and include simple calls to action so clients can reach you fast. Turn reviews into your superpower. Ask, reply, and showcase them. Build authority with citations on legal directories and links from local sites, schools, and news outlets. When you combine a strong profile, great content, reviews, and local links, you'll rise above competitors and win more cases. Book your free local SEO game plan with MarketinGear.